So I got this wig kit, and we're gonna open it up. It comes with headbands for your wig to lay your edges, an edge brush, and also a slicking comb, 2 sets of wigs right here, and also your wig stick. Let's put on the wig cap. You get 4 wig caps, so we can just brush on the edges like that to get it slick. So let's put on the wig. So this is a bob wig, and you can see how it's all frizzy and messy in there. Just use that to kind of brush my wig the way I want. And I'm also going to use the rat tail comb, this rat tail comb, to pat my wig. Because there's a lot of flyaways, I'm gonna take my wax stick, and all you have to do is just push it at the bottom over there to get as much or as little out. And I'm just gonna put it on the pat right here. I'm just smoothing it right there just for the hair to lay. So you can see how it just really smoothens the flyaways. You can use a hot comb after that to smoothen everything together, but I'm just going to use this brush and just slick everything. And you see how it just lays it. You don't see any flyaways, and it lays it the way you want. So all I need to do is just take my headband and just put that on it. So everything looks so nice and slick down, and I absolutely like it. This wax stick is really good. I just love how easy it is to just have everything in one place. Yeah, absolutely like it.